Good morning, dear students. Look here. Now, simplify. That is actually this product. A plus B plus C into A plus B minus C. So, multiplied all the terms by this. A into A square, A into B, A into minus C minus AC. Plus into minus is minus. B into A, you may write BA. B into B square, B into minus C minus BC. Clear? Similarly, C into A, CA or AC. C into A, CA or AC. C into B, BC. C into minus C square. Is it clear? Look very carefully that. And there is A square and B square and minus C square. A square, B square, minus C square. Continue. Plus AB plus A. Plus AB plus AB. You add, you get 2A. Or AB കൂടി കൂട്ടാം. Minus AC plus AC cancel. 0. Sit over. ഇത് നിങ്ങൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്തു 2A. ഇനി minus BC plus BC 0 ആണ്. So what's your answer? Plus AB plus AB 2A. Minus AC plus AC added to get 0. Put it up 0. Minus BC plus BC added to get 0. So your answer is A square plus B square minus C square plus 2A. Is it clear? Question is simplified. So once again you do the same proof. Another problem. X plus 5 into X minus 5 plus 25. Are you ready? You first of all you add it. Just leave that number. X into X square, X into minus 5 minus 5x. Clear? 5 into X 5x, 5 into minus 5 25. X കൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ രണ്ടും മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക, 5 കൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ രണ്ടും മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക. And there is plus 25 also. Now in the figure minus 5x plus 5x added to get 0, minus 25 plus 25 added to get 0. Wow, what's your answer? X square. Other terms get cancelled. Is it clear? Remember the question is simplified. Next one. A plus B into, come on, you write it. A plus B into C minus D plus A minus B into C plus D. Again plus 2 into AC plus B. Comparatively it's a larger problem. Better you write it. A plus B into C minus D. A minus B into C plus D. And 2 into AC plus B. Are you ready? Fine. So these two binomials multiply. Now first of all you write the program and look very carefully. A into C, AC, A into minus D minus A. Plus or minus that and that. B into C, BC, B into minus D minus B. So this multiplication is over. Clear? Good. Look that. A into C, AC, A into D, AD. Minus B into C, minus BC, plus into minus. Minus B into D, minus B. Is it clear? Next, 2 into AC, 2AC, 2 into BD, 2B. Is it the multiplication is clear? Now the bracket is removed. ഇതുകൊണ്ട് ഇതിനെ രണ്ടിനെ, ഇതുകൊണ്ട് ഇതിനെ രണ്ടിനെ, ഇതുകൊണ്ട് ഇതിനെ രണ്ടിനെ, ഇതുകൊണ്ട് ഇതിനെ രണ്ടിനെ. 2 into AC, 2. Clear? ഇനി നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. ഇവിടെ ഒരു AC ഉണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ ഒരു പ്ലസ് AC ഉണ്ട്. കൂട്ടിയിട്ട് എത്രയാണ്? 2AC. ശരിയോ? Minus AD plus AD added by 0. Clear? Plus BC minus BC added to get 0. Clear? ഇവിടെ ഒരു മൈനസ് ബി ഡി, അവിടെ ഒരു മൈനസ് ബി ഡി ആഡഡ് ടു ഗെറ്റ് മൈനസ് 2B. രണ്ടും നെഗറ്റീവ്, രണ്ടും കൂടി കൂട്ടിയിട്ട് സൈൻ ഓവർ. പേരൊക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞു. AC plus AC is over. Minus BD over. then is 2AC and 2BD is there. Clear? So 2AC, where is that? 2AC, again 2AC is minus 4AC. Here it is 2AC, where is that? Yes, that's also 2AC. 2AC plus 2AC is equal to 4AC. Plus 2BD minus 2BD added to get 0. So what is the final answer is 4AC. Look very carefully it and answer it. Do once again the same problem. Okay? I will give you home assignment. The home assignment is the same problem. So once again you do the same problems. Okay? ഇതൊരിക്കൽ കൂടെ നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യണം. ആ ചെയ്ത രണ്ട് പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ചെയ്യാം. സിംപ്ലിഫൈ എന്നാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കേട്ടോ. സിംപ്ലിഫൈ. Is it all? Next, you write the heading identities. 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 You write the identities also. Number 1, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. 1 and 2. And number 3, I will give you the details in the classroom. A plus b into a minus b. If you complete it, you get a square minus b square. That's the third one. You write it. Write all the identities. Over. And I am waiting for your answer. You write 3 of them. And the fourth one. The fourth one is x plus a into x plus b equal to, if you multiply it, you get like this. So you take x as a common factor. Your answer is, we want this one, x square plus x into a plus b plus a. X square plus x into a plus b plus a. That is the identity. X plus a into x plus b. And the last one is a plus b into c plus d. It's a multiplication. AC plus AD multiplied a, these two, and b, bc plus b. I will give you details of the identities tomorrow and the programs also. Okay, all the best. You do once again the simplified question. You see the question once again. You do it. Okay, all the best.